Today I'm going to show you 3 of my favorite moves for crop top ready abs. Ready to get started? Let's do this. I want you in my first move, which is called train track abs. Both hands behind the nape of the neck, elbows wide. Don't cup your head, all right? Lift yourself up into Pilates stance, meaning the head, neck, and shoulders are in alignment and lifted. Knees in tabletop position. Go ahead and straighten out one leg, point your toes. Check it out, guys. You are going to crunch up once, and then for the second one, crunch up while your leg is at a 45-degree angle. And for the third one, you're gonna crunch up as it's parallel. Ho ho, okay. So you can feel the upper abs working and the lower abs working. And man, by keeping this leg right here, everything is working. So train track abs, you wanna try 10 of these on each side. Okay, hollow rock, guys. Hollow rock, hands are long behind you, legs in front of you, heels pressing together, quad squeezing so that you can stay straight. Now with this move, it's very important that your lower back is pressing into the mat and has a curvature just like so. Not hollowing out like this, but hollowing out from your belly button. Now lift up, imagine you are like a banana and you're simply rocking back and forth. Notice how my head isn't protruding from my body, but in fact it is aligned with the rest of my body. And as you can see, I'm already shaking because that is crazy for your core. You wanna try about 20 to 30 seconds if you can. Let's get into those obliques with hip twist. Both elbows underneath the shoulders, palms flat into the mat. Lift up into plank. Now guys, you're gonna dip your hip once to one side, the second time to the other, and I want you to try to get to 20 taps. Yep, hello, obliques on fire. So those are my favorite crop top ready ab moves. I want you to tag a friend below and share some of this good information with them. I love you so much and I'll see you next time. Bye.